Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to pin WhatsApp chat. We will start by opening WhatsApp and holding down the chat we want. After that, we click on the pin icon at the top. After this, we will see that our WhatsApp chat is pinned. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.